Why you camera shy?
Fix my hair.
Give me that. Say something.
I got nothing.
This man camera shy. It's going. I need a hat.
Yeah, exactly. Yo.
Shout out Chicago now. Oh. Ni hao. Alright. This is what I want. 6. And we have a rich friend here. It's time to use him for his money.
There we go. Thank
See.
you. Have a good day.
It's shishi. Ni hao is like hi.
Yeah, that's not food. Yeah.
Get a sip. Get a sip.
Pretty good.
Say something else. You just can say pretty good.
You try it.
No, like how describe the taste and everything.
I got nothing for you.
You camera shy. Here. Do it. I'm filming.
I'm handing you a bobber.
Oh, okay.
On?
Yeah. Oh my.
There you go. You got a hook.
Yeah, that was not good. Ooh, that was perfect. You can't fish. Woo! Hey, I'm better. Free me. Free me. Free me. Free me. Me. Up close shot for the ladies. It's been single. Huh? How do you feel?
It's 0-0.
How you feel about that?
0-0.
Huh?
1-1. 2-1.
What? My phone's about to die. Let me take a photo with the fish.
I get the hook out.
I got it. I got your hook. And I lost my thing. Some fish took it.
You can't take claim for my fish.
That's what I'm about to do. That's what.
You can take a picture with me.
Okay.
All right, we'll go through the basics.
2-1.
Yep, all in.
You won because I lost my hook.
No.
I lost my hook. That's what you won.
I won because I'm the better fisherman.
Do you want to go for? You want to? There should be, I forgot to count.